Ahead of Christians' biggest celebration, Christmas, the community has been targeted by Hindu extremist groups in different parts of the country. In one of the latest incidents on Monday, one such extremist group led by BJP District Vice President Anju Bhargava reportedly barged into a church in Madhya Pradesh's Jabalpur and disrupted a gathering, a video of which has surfaced online. According to a report by the Indian Express, the incident occurred at a church located behind Hawa Bagh Women's College. The right-wing group entered the premises, alleging that visually impaired children were being coerced into religious conversion. It later triggered a confrontation. The BJP leaders were seen holding a woman's face. The report says police later arrived at the spot. One of the officials is said to have stated that visually impaired students from a government-run hostel were invited for a Christmas meal by the Christian community. The students have denied any attempt at religious conversion, said the police. The report also said that this is the second such incident within a week in Jabalpur. On Sunday morning, two members of a right-wing organization entered during a prayer service at a church near Shiv Shakti Nagar in Madodal, which led to the violent confrontations and multiple detentions. It has been reported members of Hindu Seva Parishad reportedly approached the church after receiving information about an unusually large gathering that included attendees from outside districts. They were questioning potential religious conversion activities when violence erupted. Worshippers reportedly said that 15 to 20 young men forcibly entered the church during prayers, chanting Jai Shri Ram and creating panic among the congregation. Just recently, a radical Hindu extremist linked to the VHP RSS was seen terrorizing a gathering where he was seen harassing a Christian pastor on the stage. He was also seen mocking Jesus Christ. A video of the incident has been circulating.
जीसस क्राइस्ट का ग्रंथ का नाम बताओ। ग्रंथ करके नहीं है। हाँ क्या है? द गॉस्पेल ऑफ जॉन, वो सब क्या चीज है? बाइबल क्या चीज है? धार्मिक ग्रंथ है। ये कहाँ से मैन्युफैक्चर हुआ है? जस्ट टेल मी कहाँ से मैन्युफैक्चर हुआ है? ऑफ कोर्स इट वाज नॉट प्रिंटेड इन इंडिया। भारतवर्ष में ये पैदा हुआ ही नहीं था। विदेशी क्रिश्चियन लोगों का, विदेशी भाषाओं का बाइबल हमारे इंडिया में चलेगा नहीं। हमारा क्या है? चारों वेद है, मनुस्मृति है, उपनिषद है। हम कोई भी क्रिश्चियनों का बाइबल को फॉलो नहीं करेंगे। एम आई क्लियर? बोलो। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। ओके, जय श्री राम। जीसस क्राइस्ट इज नॉट आवर्स। हमारा कौन है? राम भगवान। एम आई राइट? इट शुड बी। साला इधर बाबरी मस्जिद बन रहा है, उसके लिए कोई आवाज नहीं उठा रहा है ना? बाबरी मस्जिद बन रहा है, उसके लिए कोई आवाज नहीं उठा रहा है। हिंदुओं का धर्म परिवर्तन होना चाहिए, है ना? मौलाना महमूद मदानी इज एंटी नेशनल, दैट बास्टर्ड शुड बी अरेस्टेड। बोल सकते हो ना? हम धर्म परिवर्तन करवाएंगे। वाई बेबी? हमारा जीसस क्राइस्ट।
जवाब दे भाई।
ओके, सबके सामने पूछ रहा हूं इसको। मदर मैरी, जीसस क्राइस्ट को पैदा करने वाला मदर मैरी कैसे प्रेग्नेंट हुई थी बताओ? आई एम वेटिंग। घड़ी नहीं है फिर भी बोल रहा हूं भैया। जीसस क्राइस्ट कैसे पैदा हुआ था बताओ? पवित्र आत्मा के द्वारा। अरे तू बिना आपसे इसके बच्चा पैदा कर सकता है?
वही तो परमेश्वर का पुत्र तभी है ना, क्योंकि
पवित्र आत्मा का
इंसान के अंदर पाप
नहीं घुसेगा तो बच्चे कैसे पैदा होगा?
पाप
Earlier this month, a mob set a Christian man's home on fire, vandalized churches and torched a prayer hall in Chhattisgarh's Kanker district in a village called Batedwada. This incident ensued over the burial of the Christian man's father. A report by The Wire narrated that 36-year-old Ranman Salam took his 70-year-old ailing father to a hospital on December 15, where he passed away. On December 16, the Salam family decided to bury Chamra Ram as per Christian rituals on their private land because he was told that his father cannot be cremated as per Hindu traditions due to his Christian faith. However, locals also objected to the burial, resulting in a verbal fight. He alleged that once Hindutva groups like the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh and the Bajrang Dal got involved, the burial ceremony was stopped after the quarrel rose to a physical skirmish. Rajman said that his friends and family were injured in the skirmish. Rajman said that police did not stop the Hindutva rebel rousers but began pressuring his family to back off. They only intervened when their own were assaulted and attacked. Rajman said the body was later exhumed by the administration after persistent protests by local against the burial. The Wire reported. A press release from the United Christian Forum noted that the incident in Batedwada village was part of a series of cases where Christians have been targeted over burials. The United Christian Forum recorded 23 burial-related incidents in 2025, 19 in Chhattisgarh, 2 in Jharkhand and 1 each in Odisha and West Bengal, compared with about 40 such cases in 2024, 30 in Chhattisgarh, 6 in Jharkhand and the rest in Bihar and Karnataka.
देख सकते हैं आप किस तरीके से यहाँ पे ग्रामीण पूरी तरह से आक्रोशित हैं और पत्थर मार रहे हैं, दरवाजा तोड़ा जा रहा है। पुलिस प्रशासन पर्याप्त नहीं है। आदिवासी समाज के लोग चाह रहे हैं ये पूरी तरह से मुस्तैद पुलिस, किंतु पत्थर लाठियां यहाँ पे आग जलाकर कोशिश की गई थी तोड़ने की, पर लगातार आदिवासी समाज द्वारा ईसाई चर्च को तोड़ा जा रहा है। नीचे आग लग चुकी है, देखना होगा। आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे पुलिस प्रशासन अंदर है चर्च के, बावजूद यहाँ पे लोग किस तरीके से यहाँ पे हैं ये आप देख सकते हैं। यहाँ पे तोड़ दिया गया, ये पूरी तरह से तोड़ा गया घर को, प्रार्थना गृह को। पुलिस अभी पहुंची जब सब कुछ टूट गया, उसके बाद यहाँ पे पुलिस पहुंची है। पुलिस बिल्कुल लाचार, कुछ भी बचा नहीं पाई। यहाँ पे भी आगजनी की घटना को अंजाम दे दिया गया है।